Babazi yarangirirwa nk'omusinguzi erya Kazoba rishamukaga n'edakiika 40 ari mukuru w'akakiiko k'ebyobururu omu kibiina kya NRM habwa disitulikiti ya Kikuube Pascal Musuga aishemire lya Satito Winyi Primary School omu town council ya Kikuube bwanyuma y'okutunga obururu bwingi okutuza abandi obutirwe nyuma abazyo. Philip Mbabazi Baneti ayire obururu emitwaro 2,329 ekirukora ebicweka 58 ha buri 10 obururu obubazirwe atyo yakuratirwa pada ekisembo ehire y'obururu omutwaro gumwe kakaga 459 ekirukora ebicweka 41. Dixon Tushabe we ahire y'obururu 343 ekirukora ebicweka 0.9 kandi hakurataho Valentino Rubasharaza ahire y'obururu 81 ekirukora obicweka 0.2. Mukuru w'akakiiko k'ebyobururu aka NRM mu district ya Kikuube Musuga nuko kurangira Baneti osingira abandi okuba mukwasi w'ebendera ekibiina kya NRM habwa district ya Kikuube omukaruru kokutora na mukuru w'entebe ya katano akaragarukwemu omwaka ogwo.
Philip Mbabazi Baneti, who has polled the highest number of votes, that is 23,279, representing 68% as a duly elected flag bearer for Kikuube District LC Chairperson by elections 226.
It's Friday morning. We're just coming out of the rally center, and I've actually come out as a victor with 58%. I do not take this for granted. It was really so tight. I give all this pride and congratulations to my great campaign team.
Okutera karuru kora kwate bendera ekibiina kya NRM hantebeji kubeireho omu byaro 335 obwabatezi bakaruru barikwingana emitwaro 9,288 okuruga omu magombora mushanju. Mbabazi omukwasi w'ebendera y'ekibiina ekya NRM na mutabani wankazirwanaho Major General Matayo Chargonza omwe ahabarwanira olutaro rw'ekishaka orwa NRM kandi n'entumwa ya Uganda omuri Burundi. Omugenzi ayabira ryo mu ntebe jo Peter Banura Arari oguno murumuna entebe eya mukuru w'entebe ya katano habwa district ya Kikuube ekasigara hatina jirumu bwanyuma y'uwabira jirumu okufa Peter Banura achebiro binabyo kwakana omwaka ogwo omuri butandu ya hangudo aha kyaro kya Butyambasel ekirukushango muri Kikuube town council omu district ya Kikuube bwanyuma y'emotoka y'enamba UBQ runana 53 ey'ekika kya drone okutomereye ey'ekika ekya Toyota Hilux ey'enamba UG 34 omukugambaho n'abahagizi be bwanyuma y'okusinga karuru. Mbabazi ayorekire ngu kabeire akobulyo n'amazima kandi enshobi enchenche ezibeire mu nkokutuntuza abatezi bakaruru zibeire ziresirweho okugaba kubi ebirukwejunisibwa omukukatera nashobora ngu okusherura karuru nakwo kubeire kurungi yashaba abantu ngu barekeraho okwebaganisa mu bakwatanisize hamwe.
Overall it's actually been free and fair. So there've been some irregularities here, incidences of arrest of my supporters. There were rumors of distribution of illegal items, all that kind of stuff. But then I think it's actually evident with some of these highly contested kind of campaigns. So I don't really take it for granted. I mean, take it personal. It's a learning process, and I hope they will actually probably pick a lead from that.
Bade kisembo aiziraryo wa kabiri omukaruraka ahakanise ebirugiro mu kutera karuru arikugira ngu omyanya emwe habeiremo emivuyo myingi kandi yaraganisa ku arikwijagaruka kwesimbankanya mwegendaho. Omukaruru akatebekanisiibwa akakiiko k'ebyobururu akarikwija kuterwa 2018 by'okwa mukaga omwaka ogwo.
I will go back to the people of Kikuube. Kikuube, we are majority, we are NRM. We don't have opposition in Kikuube. We are all NRM.
Wallahi.
Has entered and is spoiling the due process of this election. I will go back to the NRM members of Kikuube
Freddy Jachani Omachi ariyo muhezi wa mukuru w'akakiiko k'ebyobururo mu kibiina kya NRM yashaba abesimbire boona okuheereza ekitinisa ebirugiro mu kuteera akaruuru ngu kandi beikiriza n'enkeeka emwe ahabw'okuba aka akabeere kari akaruuru ak'omunda.
Once the results are announced by the District Electoral Commission, that will be final, and we expect that all the people who have participated in-house to be able to move forward as one family. And should any person be not satisfied, there are other methods that can be addressed.